guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's occasion, I want to show you how to make homemade pancakes right at home, and they're super easy to make. All you're going to need is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk. This is 2% reduced, but you can certainly use the milk of your choice, and this is at room temperature. My egg, which is also at room temperature, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then also 2 tablespoons of salted butter. I am also going to incorporate a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's go ahead and begin by mixing our dry ingredients together here, just with the whisk. You can certainly use your stand mixer for this as well, or a fork if you don't have a whisk. So let's go ahead and just give this a good mix. And then I'm going to incorporate the milk. And once again, this is 1 cup of milk. I will be melting my butter prior to adding this in. I'm just going to set this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. 20 seconds should do, so it's not too hot, but just enough melted. So just give this a good whisk here, just until all of the ingredients are incorporated, and bring this in. And these are great to eat with blueberries or as chocolate chip pancakes, where you can certainly add in the batter, and then closer to being fully cooked, you can go ahead and add in the chocolate chips so they don't burn when adding in at the same time with the batter. Or you can add sprinkles into the batter, make them sprinkle pancakes, or also dulce de leche. You can add in dulce de leche once you've set the batter like on the pan. Then you can go ahead and give it a swirl around, like in circular motion. Those would be pretty good too. Or you can top it with whatever you like. So now that I've added the egg, I'm just going to give this another good mix. And then once I add in the teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, I'll be melting my butter. Alright, let's go ahead and add the pure vanilla extract, and then give this another good mix here, just like this. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go ahead and melt my butter, and I'll be right back. I have now melted my butter with just 20 seconds, but 15 should do, as you don't want it too hot, depending on your microwave. So 15 and 20 seconds should be enough to melt your butter all the way through like this. So I'm just going to incorporate the butter into my batter, and then just give this a final mix. Now you do want to set your pan on the stove to just a medium heat, and what I would 100% recommend is adding butter to your pan instead of non-sticking spray. Trust me on that one, it gives the pancakes a lot more flavor. Okay, so I'm ready to add in my batter into this mixing bowl here. Okay, going to begin by adding a little bit of butter to my pan, and I'm going to give this a good stir and pour in my butter. Una. I'm going to let this sit until the batter bubbles up. That's when you know it's time to flip. Go ahead and flip. And there you go. Allow this side to go ahead and cook thoroughly prior to removing as well. Remove and repeat the process. There you have it, guys. Go ahead and top with your butter right on top. Just like this. Top with powdered sugar if you like, and go ahead and drizzle your syrup all over. Top with your favorite fruits, lechera, dulce de leche, whatever you would like. But this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to subscribe to our growing family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.